Hey guys, 5th of January, tomorrow's Little Christmas, and I decided to try to start welding, and that weld there is not to repair this bond, that's just so I can get enough leverage to take off this bolt. So you can see I got it out of here. It's so pretty. Anyway, so I'm out here with a hell of a long leverage and with all my weight on it, bouncing it. That bolt is not coming off. Oh my goodness gracious. So just to show you now, I'm going to sit on the end of it, on the very end. Oops, that hurts. And then oh wait, ow. Yep, I think it's going because I just fell over. Let's see. Yeah, it is moving a little bit. Stand by while I readjust. Oh, yeah, I'm a little winded.